QR. eSIM 1. Easy to use and stable connection with cheap price. It is easy to install and the network is stable and fast. I recommend friends who come to Da Nang to buy it and use it. Very convenient, the internet speed is very stable, the installation is easy, and it is very cheap. I was staying in Hanoi for 4 days, but I didn't in number 39 to have a 4-day plan, so I bought a 5-day plan. The internet connection in Hanoi was perfect, and I was able to make calls online perfectly. We had some problems with the eSIM, but the customer service was great and resolved the problem. One. eSIM 215 eSIM. It was my first time in Vietnam and I chose to use eSIM. I didn't expect it to be so smooth. It was a great experience. The connection was activated as soon as I landed, and the signal was very stable. There was no lag in Ho Chi Minh City and Vung Tau. The connection was installed very quickly and the price was affordable. Most of the signals I caught in the local area were Vinaphone. This was my first time using an eSIM card while traveling abroad, and it was a great experience. I used to rent Wi-Fi, but with an eSIM card, I no longer have to go through the hassle of booking, receiving deliveries, and returning it when I get home, which is great. I am number 39, I'll be using an eSIM card exclusively from now on. Recommend for everyone, really convenient, easy to use. The process was simple and I was able to use it without any problems. I panicked because I had activated eSIM before traveling, but I was relieved to find out that there was no problem after contacting customer service. The price was also cheap, and I was able to have a safe and enjoyable stay. I recommend it. I was worried because it was cheaper than other companies, but installing the eSIM was easy, and the communication conditions and speeds were both very good. Super easy to use, super cheap, super fast, no internet access in Vietnam.